Hello, my friends. This is Charlie, and welcome back to Everyday American English. I'm really glad you're here today. Remember, learning English can be fun, practical, and part of your daily life. You don't have to sit at a desk for hours. You can learn while cooking, walking, exercising, or even waiting for your own bus. That's the beauty of listening to English in a podcast. You can take it everywhere, and little by little, English becomes part of your everyday routine. So today, let's go to the bus stop together. In the United States, many people use public buses. Some people ride the bus to work, some to school, and others to go shopping. Waiting for the bus can feel boring, but sometimes it turns into a chance to meet new people, share a smile, or even start a little conversation. Now, let's listen to today's story. It's a cool spring morning. The sun is just rising and the air feels fresh. At the corner of Maple Street, Lisa is waiting for the bus. She looks at her phone and sighs. Oh no, the bus is late again. An older man with a brown hat is also waiting. He hears her and smiles kindly. Yeah, it usually comes at 8:15, but sometimes it's late. You just have to be patient. Lisa smiles back. I hope it comes soon. I have an important meeting at work. A young student named Tom stands nearby. He has a backpack and headphones hanging around his neck. He joins the conversation. Don't worry. The driver usually shows up. Last week the bus was 10 minutes late, but it always came. Lisa laughs softly. Well, I guess today it's the same story. The three of them stand together watching cars drive by. A cold breeze passes and Lisa pulls her jacket closer. The old man, who introduces himself as Mr. Johnson, says, I've been riding this bus for 20 years. I can tell you, sometimes it's early, sometimes late, but it always arrives. Finally, they see the big blue bus turning the corner. It slows down, the brakes hiss, and the doors open. The driver greets them warmly. Good morning, everyone. Lisa, Tom, and Mr. Johnson step inside. The bus is about half full. Some people are reading newspapers, others are scrolling on their phones, and a few are just looking out the window. Lisa sits next to Tom. She says, So, do you take this bus every day? Tom nods. Yes, I take it to school. What about you? Lisa replies, I go downtown to my office. It's faster than driving and cheaper than parking. Mr. Johnson sits near the front and waves at the driver. How are you today? The driver smiles in the mirror. I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. As the bus moves forward, Tom puts his backpack on his lap. He says, I usually study on the bus. It gives me extra time. He pulls out a notebook and starts reviewing math problems. Lisa nods. That's smart. I usually check my emails or prepare for work while riding. A few minutes later, the bus stops again. A woman with two little kids gets on. The children laugh and run to sit in the back. Everyone on the bus smiles. It's hard not to smile when kids are happy. Mr. Johnson leans toward Lisa and Tom and says, That's one of the nice things about public buses. You see all kinds of people. Students, workers, families, all sharing the same ride. The bus continues. Lisa looks out the window and sees coffee shops, gas stations, and people walking their dogs. She whispers, Sometimes I forget how much life is happening outside when I'm rushing to work. Tom laughs. Yeah, you see a lot from the bus. I once saw a dog wearing sunglasses. Lisa laughs loudly. Really? That must have been funny. Finally, the driver announces, Downtown stop coming up. Lisa stands up and gets ready to leave. She smiles at Tom and Mr. Johnson. It was nice talking to you both. Have a good day. Tom waves. Good luck with your meeting. Mr. Johnson tips his hat. Have a good day, young lady. Lisa steps off the bus and walks toward her office, feeling more positive than when she started the morning. Vocabulary. Now let's review some useful words and phrases from the story. Sigh. To breathe out slowly, often when you are tired or worried. A synonym is exhale. Late, not on time. The opposite is early. Backpack. A bag you carry on your back, often for books or school. Patient. To stay calm and not get angry while waiting. Brakes. The part of a vehicle that makes it stop. Half full. Not empty, but not completely full. Parking. The space or action of leaving your car in a place. Whisper. To speak softly and quietly. Repeat after me. Now let's practice together. I will say a phrase or a word. Repeat after me and then listen to the meaning. The bus is late again. The bus is late again. This means the bus did not arrive on time. Another way to say it is, the bus is not here when it should be. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. This is a friendly greeting to a group of people. It's polite and very common in the United States. Do you take this bus every day? Do you take this bus every day? This question means, do you use this bus as part of your daily routine? I go downtown to my office. I go downtown to my office. This means your workplace is in the center of the city. Downtown is usually the business area. Here's today's learning tip. Try to repeat new words and phrases out loud, not just in your head. When you use your voice, you train your mouth, tongue, and ears at the same time. This makes your English more natural and automatic. Excellent work today, my friends. You just learned how people talk at a bus stop, on the bus, and during a typical ride in the United States. You also practice vocabulary and useful expressions for everyday life. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to Everyday American English. That way, you won't miss the next episode. See you soon.